Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I did a really nice halo eye. I love halo eyes. I don't know, I just think there's something so beautiful about like the center, you know, and the little spotlight. I just think it's so pretty. It was actually inspired by Mitchell, which I didn't even like the picture. What a fake fan I am. He did like this purple and blue eye with obviously the spotlight in the center. I just thought it was really beautiful, so I attempted to do it. Obviously it's not as great as his because like I said, there's something in the water in the UK, so you know, I tried, okay? But I hope that you guys enjoy it and we'll get right into the video. So I already primed my eye with the P.louise base and my battery's dying. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna take the Blossom palette from Blush Tribe. It's one of my favorites, and the blue, it's called Blue Days. So anytime I see Mitchell's work, I notice that he tends to put the darkest shade first on the eye, so that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna put it right into my crease. It's almost like they do this whole like reverse thing where, you know, they're adding the darker shade first and then they go in with the transition shade to blend everything out, which I found to be really genius, and I actually really like that method. I already did the other eye and I think it came out really nice. I'm just blending everything, making sure that everything is nice and seamless. As you guys can see, I haven't blended this out yet. I'm gonna go in with a purple right now because that is what Mitchell did. So I'm just gonna copy him, you know, because he's really good. Now I'm gonna take the NYX Brights palette and the two purples that are in here, and I'm going to mix them together. A Makeup Shack T87. You can use code Rocio for, I think it's 20% off. You guys already know how I feel about purples. I don't know, like it's my least favorite color. Anyways, I'm gonna put this right here very lightly, tapping this in. Help him frame. It looks like shit, okay? Like, I'm not gonna lie, but once you start blending everything together, it comes out really good. I actually like the method that they do where they just put the transition shade in after they put the crease color. Like, I don't know, that was really cool. And you know what's crazy is that all of them do that. Like Stacey Marie does that, P.louise does that. I feel like it's like a UK thing. Like, I had never like heard of that. I've never seen that method, so I just think it's a really good method or technique. Is that what it is? Technique, yes. I'm going to keep adding that purple in and just bringing it outwards a little bit, not a lot. Back in with the blue and just blend it in with the purple again. So I don't want, like, I want a nice seamless blend, but I also still want the blue to show up. And I also don't want it to get muddy because that happens too. I'm gonna do a halo eye and I'm gonna take a little bit of the P.louise base and this brush and start creating like the halo eye. Like this. It's so hard to talk when you're doing this because you don't want to like fuck it up. This is a Makeup Shack T72 brush. It's just a big flat brush. And I always see them use like big flat brushes to do this. And I feel like it is easier. It helps a lot. I also really like using like really small eyeliner brushes because like if it's uneven or anything like that, I could just fix it with that. I like a lot of precision. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of that blue shade and this T65 brush and add the blue at the top. That way it looks super clean and it still looks really opaque and the blue is still really visible. Just be careful not to like go over the concealer. Okay, she is clean and she is cut. I'm going to go ahead and add the blue now to the outer corner and the inner corner. Now I like to do this thing where I kind of create like a V all the way in. I'm gonna take Diamond Eye and I'm gonna pop this in the center of the lid like so. I'm gonna start adding the blue back in again and creating that V shape. And then adding it over here and just blending it, blending the shimmer with the blue together so you can give it a really nice gradient. But it doesn't look like so harsh, you know? You know what I'm saying? I switched brushes to a very small, like flat brush. This is a T58 from the Makeup Shack as well. And I'm just going over this. And that's kind of what I like to do. Anyways, I'm gonna add this blue right here to the under eye. Yes, the shadow is going into my eye. That always happens to me. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm gonna add the purple right there. I'm gonna be going back and forth with these two. So if it looks messy, don't worry. So I went back and I added a little bit more of blue. I added more blue. Jesus, I can't speak. Alright, you guys, I skipped showing you guys how I do my star because I've done it before. You guys can look at my old videos. I also added mascara. I used Benefit's Bad Gal Bang, this one right here. So I'm going to add my lashes, and the lashes that I am wearing are from House of Lashes in the style Posh. Yes, Posh. And I just like to look down in the mirror. I have a mirror right here, and I look down and then I pop these on like so. And I just adjust them right here. Like that. People are always asking me how I put on my lashes and that it looks like they look really nice, but to be honest with you, they're never like super close to my lash line. Like I always like there's always like a little gap, so you guys just don't see it because I put, you know, I Facetune, so you know it's okay. We all do. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much the end of this tutorial. I hope that you guys really enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to subscribe and like. Bye, guys.